Hi guys, Chris here at Purely Outdoors, and today we're going to show you how to perfectly pitch an inflatable awning. So the model we've got today is the brand new exclusive 2025 model, the Grande AIR Tour from Dometic. So a lovely 3.9 meter wide awning, really lovely and spacious, but we're going to show you the key instructional steps how to get this awning pitched from start to finish. So it will eventually look like this, but at the start it's going to look something like this. So slid onto the rail, and then we're going to show you each step in turn how to get it pitched. So without further ado, I'm going to introduce someone who can pitch awnings a lot better than myself, our key awning technician, Tim.
Okay guys, so we're heading straight to the rear pegging point first for a close-up. As you can imagine, on the campsite you'd be using the included pegs and a mallet of your choice, but as we're in the indoor showroom, we're using a drill and screws for this instead. Here it is, tension down. Repeat this process on the other side and then the front three beams. Now onto inflation. So this awning has deflate taps, so close those off first and then prepare your single point inflation valve. Most awnings now come with a manual pump, just like this Dometic model here, so this can be used with the valve. However, to save time, we're going to substitute this for the electric gale pump, which is an optional extra. After around 2 minutes, the frame will just need a little help up. Whilst we watch Tim professionally sort this out, I'd like to take a second to thank you guys for your support on the YouTube channel so far, and please do let us know in the comments your thoughts and any feedback on the videos. We have a review video for this awning, the Dometic Grande 390, coming up, and a run through of the new Dometic Tour range, so keep an eye out on the channel for this. Right then, back to it. So a further 2 minutes later, you'll see the frame is now complete. Just disconnect the hose because it's now time to guy out the triangular tension straps that this awning features on both sides. Just pull the tab out and peg it down, simple as that. Whilst we're here, let's start pegging out the one of many peg ladders. These are found here, and here they are all pegged down. Next are the tension straps. These can be found on all three main beams of the awning, and they keep the frame nice and stable. Let's take a closer look. So as you can see, we're pegging the bottom material as far as it can go. And then we're tensioning and tidying up the top part of the strap. Now to repeat this across the awning like so. Next up, if you've purchased the optional tie down kit, you can see the clip-in point for this here. You just tension and peg this similar to the main tension straps as we've previously ran through. So head into the interior now. It's time to clip in your curtains, super quick and easy and quite satisfying if we say so ourselves. Next, if you've purchased the optional roof liner, find your hooking loops around the roof fabric and get it installed as so. Next up, it's lighting. So if you have the Dometic Sabre 150 lighting, you can simply attach those to the Velcro straps. Finally, let's see how to attach the Dometic tall annex to your awning. Head to the rear section first to start removing the side panels of the main awning. This is super easy and the zip just glides along as so. Once connected, then it's time to use the gale pump or the manual pump and inflate the main beam on the annex. Once this is completed, peg this out the same way as the main awning. It's just super quick and easy. So here's the final look. Finally, now it's time to tailor the panels just to your liking. So these can be fitted as so, fully zipped out, or using a combination of the window and mesh panels. Then you can roll your doorway back nice and tidily.
And there we have it, guys, a perfectly pitched awning. So hopefully next time you're on the campsite, if you follow those step by step, you'll have an awning that looks something like this. So thanks so much for watching. We're going to be doing more instructional and tutorial videos for the season ahead. So make sure to follow and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And as always, if you've got any other questions or further products you'd like us to do review videos on, or further little tutorials, just drop them in the comments below. But thanks so much for watching.